Hey guys, Bingo here with another unboxing, and today we got quite unusual, random. Everything I unbox is random pretty much at this point, but yeah, this vacuum, portable vacuum cleaner. So this is the Shark WandVac Double V23 ANZ. That's quite a name. So this is this vacuum cleaner that's kind of portable but supposed to be powerful. It's I like the thing that got me hooked into this is the design. I think it's pretty sleek. See some of it in action. It's got this charging dock included. I presume it's cord-free handheld vacuum, and yeah, that's all that there is in there. I presume there should be a specs format or specs somewhere. So we got some bits of information here, like for cleaning and the tools that we get, as well as what's included. There we go. The vacuum itself, the charging dock, duster crevice tool, multi-surface pet tool, and dual onboard accessory storage. So I've been wanting to find a vacuum cleaner for my car. I saw one in Amazon that's like relatively cheap, but it wasn't strong enough. So I needed something with more power, more oomph, and I hope it's this one. Got a quick guide there with everything. Just shows you what the LED means and like care for the product, warranty, and that's all she wrote in there. This is pretty nice packaging. It's all paper, and actually, yeah, it is actually great to see. I can all just put this in the recycling bin. First, let's open up the charging dock itself. It's got Shark logo. Cannot. I don't think you can remove that. I thought it was going to be USB-C. It would have been better if it was USB-C, but anyway. Got this. The base. Some tools. I don't know what this is called. I reckon this is pet cleaner. More accessories here, and yeah, this is the typical ones that we use. It's got this. I think this one should flips out so that you can take all the dust there, and that's it in there. We got the vacuum itself. Oh yeah, that is looking nice. Looks like you use this as like a wand. It is literally a wand. Something. So okay, we got the charging pins there, quite big. Slide to access the filter. Model number, QR code. Start. Oh, look at that. It's like if you want to throw everything you got, you just press this, and then you're back to cleaning. We got our filter here. You can slide it out. Yeah, and some product info. And that's it. And I believe this filter can be, you can buy like extra filter for this. And it just pops out there. And that's it. Hopefully this thing has a charge. There we go. There's some ventilation here on the side. And I believe it's only one power, that's it. Alright, you can see that was called the suction power that it gave. But yeah, it's only one power, there's no other modes for it. But I reckon it's pretty strong. Enough for like small room, or I'm specifically gonna keep this in my car. And then you can just pop this up, whichever for your need. I'm not gonna do a test. I don't want to do one of those tests where you put in like a mess and then try to clean up as much as you can. But this one just sits there. The other way around, and it starts charging, and then I think you can just put this here as well. There we go. That's all sleek in, and there's even like a cord management here, cable management places, so that your cable goes pretty much clean here in this area. It's actually nice. I like that they thought about it. It's small things, you know, all these devices. You appreciate the small things. And there's tucks in there, so that you get, trying to press this cleanly. There's like prongs there. Oh, and there we go. It's locked in. That ain't moving. So it stands as a base. You can put your accessories here, like that, and then just put on the vacuum cleaner there. Pretty nice. So that's it for this Quick and Vax unboxing of the WandVac by Shark. I'll let you guys know in like a follow-up video or a short, if see how it goes when I try it out in my car. But anyway, comment down below if you're using this, how you find it, and please like, subscribe for more videos of just random unboxing of whatever I'm buying. Anyway, I'll see you guys. Everyone stay safe out there, and bye bye.